If the Ummah is one body, Palestine is the heart. This year, AzZuhaa Islamic FUNFAIR is dedicated to help the innocent Muslims of Palestine. Every penny spent by you in this FUNFAIR will be donated to the Palestinian Muslims for humanitarian relief. You can play your part to help our Palestinian Muslims by attending this event, as well as through booking food stalls, baking stalls, shopping and accessory stalls. You can also participate by sponsoring this fundraising event for Palestinian Muslims. Join hands with the AzZuhaa Islamic Institute in this noble cause, as your sponsorship can make a huge difference. Sponsors are requested to contact us on below mentioned number.